whenever we talk about this song, we always ask you guys to think about, if you guys have been to the North Shore.
You guys have been to the North Shore of the island of Kauai?
That's like Haiana. Some guys have been over there. You know that road, yeah, it's kind of windy. It kind of goes along the pali over there.
Only one lane on each side. One lane going one way, one lane coming.
So we wanted this song to really represent the North Shore and that real kind of cruise way of life, you know. You gotta slow down. You gotta take it slow because you're always gonna have a slower car in front of you. You cannot rush. You can't get mad because the scenery is pretty nice over there. And you know, as local guys, we think, how come that car driving so slow? You like pass them, yeah, but it's not safe. So don't pass them over there. And you start to think to yourself, what the heck are they looking at? And you start looking around. And you're like, oh, that, and that. And it's pretty nice over there. So this song always reminds me of that drive, and it always makes me kind of, reminds me to take a look around and enjoy the scenery.
So come for a drive with us as we take you to the North Shore district of the island of Kauai, a district called Halelea.
music from